Hi, I'm Margot Shaw, founder and editor-in-chief of Flower magazine. I'd like to welcome y'all today to our 2021 show house. This house has a special place in my heart because it's my family home, and it is built on property that has been in my husband's family for generations here in Bibb County, Alabama. The inspiration for the house comes from my side of the family. My great-grandparents built the first house on a place called Shook Hill, right outside of Birmingham, and it was just a very simple, elegant fieldstone farmhouse. And so this is our interpretation of that. So it is, it's special to me, and I hope it'll be special to you. Enjoy. So I'd like to talk to y'all a little bit about what I think makes this place so special. Just a few of the highlights. One being reclaimed wood all through the house. The floors, the doors, and even the beams are all reclaimed from two mills in Valley, Alabama that were going to be torn down. So we are really excited about that aspect of it. But it's also just a very understated southern farmhouse, and so it's tucked up in the woods, and you don't even really see it until you're right up on it. And it's a place that my husband and I feel like we can retreat and be away far from the madding crowd. Especially now, I feel like so many people are wanting to leave the cities for a minute, a day, a weekend, or forever. And so we are really blessed to have this place. We have extensive grounds and outdoor seating, places you can just go and sit and soak in the beauty and be still. And you might see a deer, or you might see bunnies. We stumbled upon a turkey the other day walking. Scared me, but it was beautiful. So you just don't know what you might come upon in this place. I think one of my favorite things about the interiors of the house is that the palette reflects the exterior. It's very natural, very understated, greens and creams and browns and a little bit of blue. And it's just, there's a seamless transition from indoors to outdoors. So I guess I just love everything about this house, from the sunsets to waking up and having coffee and seeing all kinds of wildlife, and just knowing that when we want, we can have anyone and everyone here to share the beauty and joy of this spot. I'd like to highlight and celebrate our wonderful team that came together to create this special, magical place. First of all, Mary Evelyn McKee, interior designer; Ben Page, landscape architect; Pete Pritchard, architect; and last but certainly not least, Larry Gemmill, our contractor / magician, who was able to procure materials from I don't even want to know where during this very challenging COVID season. So bravo all. I'd also like to give a special thanks to those who've helped make our house a home. Benjamin Moore, Bevel, Century Furniture, Crossville Tile, Curry & Company, Hickory Chair, Cravat, Replacements, Signature Kitchen Suite, and Summer Classics.